drainage will be right up in here. There's a drain pipe right about there. Gives you an idea about where the water line comes down and is all the way around the rim at the edge of my fishing pole. So you can kind of see it all the way up there. You go all the way back to there. The question is how you cut this and fill this back in so water doesn't continue to find a path underneath what I'm packing back in. And that's a pretty steep grade to get down in the end. The dam starts there and continues to go over. And it used to go all the way across this way and meet up. We've cut all that out to keep it draining. Again, what's the process order? Do I backfill all this back in here and start coming up this way? Or do I backfill all this up, stop the drainage, keep riding back and forth and pack it in real good, push more earth this way and push it over and in and back in, push more earth this way, back out, keep going till I'm level, get down in here, don't get down in here, push it down, keep scooping and pushing and scooping and pushing and riding. What's the process here? Any responses would be helpful.